Wednesday! Woo woo! Happy 2020! Here we are. New year.
Yeah. Halfway
New
through
decade.
the first month.
Oh, so great. Hope your 2020 is just going fabulously, swimmingly, wonderfully, amazingly so far. So great. How's your 2020?
It's actually good. I was able to kind of transition, make some new things happen. We remodeled our rehab suite. We moved from the downstairs to the upstairs, and it's phenomenal. You get to see the ocean every time you come in to get some therapies. Dr. Dominguez still works with us on Tuesday afternoons, and you just transition, you pivot, and make things as good as you can.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. You guys gotta come in and check it out. It's so fun, new and fresh.
We have a bunch of good new things
We
happening.
have a bunch of good new updated, great things happening. 2020. I mean, this is our first lunch with the doc of the year.
Yeah.
High five.
Cool.
We're getting back into it. It's gonna be
And
great.
we're going to have them shorter, more concise, and have them much more value-driven, where
Yes.
I'm not just telling stories.
Yeah, we want to give you some good snippets so you can leave feeling like, oh, I got so much value from that lunch with the doc.
Yeah.
Send it to your friends, share it.
3-4 minutes worth, boom, in and out.
In and out.
All right,
Shoot.
so keeping true to that.
Keeping true to that, it is the new year, and we're talking about getting your goals for the year and how to actually attain those goals, because it can be so easy to make your New Year's resolutions and have these ideas of where you want to be and what you want to do, but really until you have a plan to get there, you have your first you map out your vision, and then you have your plan, steps along the way to actually get there.
And then what about the obstacles that get in the way?
Yeah. What
How
about
do you
the
navigate
obstacles?
those?
How do you navigate those?
And what's
That's
your
a great
timeline?
question. And what's your timeline?
And who's your accountability partner?
Great. And are your goals actually measurable? Because you can have this goal, but if it's not a measurable goal, you'll never know if you really have reached that goal.
Right.
So you want to make it attainable, measurable. You want to know your obstacles.
Well, that sounds like a SMART goal. Specific,
Oh.
measurable, attainable, realistic, and a time component.
I
She's
knew
doing that
that.
Saturday Night Live.
Garth and
Cav.
Cav. We're like, our wavelengths are just so
So
on.
when is this thing?
All right, so, well, we haven't even talked about this thing.
Well, let's talk about it.
Let's talk about this thing. We're doing a workshop all about this. We're gonna help you get your ideas together about where you wanna be this year and this decade, because we're in a new decade, so we're planning long-term too. So we're gonna get together. We're doing a workshop next Wednesday night, January 22nd at 6:30 p.m. We're gonna have dinner provided, and we're gonna give you the time
Are
and
we
space.
buying dinner again?
We're buying dinner
Okay.
again.
All right.
Amazing.
Are we even going to have organic wine?
Yeah, we're gonna have organic
We'll have some
wine.
organic wine too.
Yeah.
And a lot of really good water, ionized alkaline water.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
gonna be amazing. So we're gonna have a set aside time where you get to focus on yourself, focus on your goals, and we're gonna help you create a plan, an action plan to get to where you wanna be.
It's also called vision mapping.
Yes.
A great book that's been out for a little while called The Richest Man Who Ever Lived by the King Solomon's Secrets to Health, Success, and Wellness and Wealth, something like that. And he has a whole thing in there called vision mapping, where it's very similar to this. What's the vision? How are you going to do it? When are you going to do it? All that stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, so we're gonna walk you through those things and give you just like a really good format and overview.
When is it?
It's next Wednesday, January 22nd, 6:30 p.m. Dinner provided.
do they have to call and reserve because spaces are limited?
Yes, spaces are very limited. It's going
Or
to
do
be
they go
upstairs in our
online?
medical suite, or they can go online. So you can go to healthandbalance.com. Up at the top, there's going to be a big green bar. You just click on that. That's going to take you to the page for the Fresh Start Workshop.
What's
and you can
the
sign up
address?
there, healthandbalance.com.
Okay.
Yep. Go to that top green bar and then sign up there, or you can call 949-497-2553
Good.
and sign up there. So let's give them a little snippet, a little preview, some take-home things for today that they
Okay.
can do to
All right,
start moving towards
everybody
their
raise
goals.
your hand if you've ever made a New Year's resolution and you didn't follow through. Why do you think that is? One is accountability. Who's going to hold you accountable? That's one of the reasons why people that do AA do so well, because there's always an accountability partner. There's always a person that's there to hold you accountable.
That's good.
Number two, what do you think? Why have they failed?
I think maybe habits.
Habits. How do you overcome those habits? So if you got a habit, what's happening? What's happening? There's some payoff you have if you have a habit. So you have to find another way to pay off yourself or find pleasure. So you might have to find, instead of having chocolate every time after you get home from work, maybe you need to find something else that can replace that. That's fun for you. I'd say another thing is overcoming the obstacles. Figuring out what are the obstacles? What was it where I missed last time? And write that out and try to figure out. We're not gonna tell you how to do everything right now because we're trying to just go to 5 minutes and we're at 5.5 right now. So we're gonna hope to see you next Wednesday night. Go please reserve a space, and you can bring your friends and family along with you. They can be kids, just not too small kids. Probably I would say junior high and up.
Yep.
Because they could set some goals for themselves too. And we look forward to seeing you.
Yeah.
All right.
It's gonna be great. Next
Short and
Wednesday, 22nd. Happy New Year. We just wish you all the best. Many blessings to your health, your wellness, your life, your goals, your family. It's gonna be a good decade.
Yeah,
We
let's
believe
start
it.
this decade off with
Yeah.
focus and intention.
Boom.
All right.
Love it.
See ya.
Blessings.